How's this cool little fella looking so awesome? All I know is that his epic adventure kicks off with this super simple shape. I can't wait to meet this little dude. But first, we gotta start small. This simple shape is all we need to kick things off. And we can jump right into drawing the rest of our little guy. After we've sketched those goofy eyes, we can't forget to add that charming smile. After all, a smile like that is the perfect way to show off our little guy's personality. We've sketched the head, those eyes so bright. We added a smile to make it right. Next, the hair, all cool and neat. Then the body's in, looking so sweet. With the pencil done, it's marker time. Our little buddy is ready to looking more prime. Do you love using markers? Or do you have another secret weapon for your art? Remember, the only rule here is to have a blast and enjoy yourself. And don't be afraid about changing or adding stuff as you go. This is your canvas, so make it fun and fabulous. Tell me, you peeptacular peep, does this little dude remind you of any of your peeptastic friends? What's his or her name? And while we're at it, what should we call our new friendly buddy here? Once more, we have done an awesome work. This is looking amazing. Now, let's think about adding some colors. Just look at how awesome mine turned out. And don't forget, there are loads of free, fun videos just like this one at scribblepeeps.com. Bye!